Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today I'm going to be talking about how Bitcoin has nearly jumped $7,000 in the last month, Ethereum nearly 500, where clear value tax and Brian see this market going, and I might be buying some bets. So let's get into it, see how it goes, and hopefully make some money. So wow, what a crazy crypto market we have. Bitcoin is now literally touching $23,000 and Ethereum busting up in the 1500s. I tell you, nearly 1600 actually. And I tell you this, if you take your eyes off of it for just a day or two, you're gonna miss a whole lot. Whether this is a crazy bull run that's taken the market back up to where it used to be in the $65,000 range for Bitcoin, or if it's just a bear push that's gonna actually get a little exciting and then plummet to its absolute crypto doom. We're going to find out Mr. Clear Value Tax. I really enjoy what he says. And we're also going to take a look at my portfolio as well, just see what's been happening with that and if I'm getting crushed still or doing better. So let's go. So first up, we're actually going to be looking at Bitcoin. We are in my Coinbase portal. Let's click on Mr. Bitcoin over here at $23,000. And I just want to look at it the last 30 days with you guys. Literally, it has been bonkers with this. And I'm not in any way, shape, or form a crypto expert. I don't claim to be. I'm just a guy on YouTube. But wow, what has happened since the 2nd of January until now? You are looking at just craziness from 16,000. Let's see where it started 30 days ago. 16,500. And now it is all the way up to $23,089. And at one point, it was even... it never touched 24,000, but like, wow, Bitcoin's going to move more like your Dow for my stock market folks out there. But what in the world? Up 39%, literally in no time, in 30 days. Personally, I can't wait for you guys to hear what Brian says from Clear Value Tax, because I think it is going to reign true. But once again, nobody has a crystal ball. Let's look at Ethereum next, and let's talk about my favorite one. Not the one that I'd like to own. I'd like a Bitcoin, right? I would. My question to you, put in the comment section. I'm talking to this too long. I want your opinion. Comment below what this random dude in YouTube should buy his Bitcoin at. Should it be now, 23,000 bucks? Should it be, and my range is gonna be between 10,000 and 16,000, which is so funny. Wait till you hear what we're gonna look at in a little bit. But what do you believe I should do it at? Comment below. This is gonna be one of my most singular, most valuable individual owned assets, if that makes any sense. But basically it's this, some watches, and then a Beckett 8.5. I think it's an 8.5. Charizard, shadowless, holographic, beautiful card. Anyway, let's get into Ethereum. I'm talking too much. So here we are, the Ethereum, and this monster has jumped up over 500 bucks, or just under. Let's go with the old 1 month. 1 month of Ethereum, 1,190 bucks to 15, literally 90 bucks, 83. But regardless, Ethereum is my favorite one to own. I truly believe that this is the better one. It's easier to use. It's way more practical. And at the same time, everyone is trading on Ethereum. Everyone. Guys, I'm telling you, I really enjoy Ethereum. Same thing, I want to buy some more. So comment below. I don't think I'm going to be buying any Ethereum in this video, but I've got around 45 to 50 Ethereum. Not a lot. I've got a good bit in it, but Coin? No, okay. So anyway, I would like to know your ideas there. So comment below where I should buy Ethereum at. I would love to own it between 800 and 1,000. Am I crazy that I didn't buy another 50 at 1,100 bucks? I also would like to be at 100 ETH by the end of 2023. Look, if that's too small of a goal for you guys out there, you richer than me, but that's what I would like to invest in my portfolio of crypto this year. Roughly another $50,000, maybe 75. But we will see how this goes, because it kind of feels like I'm getting kicked in the teeth all the time. But be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. What if I'm fearful? Be greedy. I don't know. I'm just a guy on YouTube. All right, so up next, let's watch Mr. Brian at Clear Value Tax shed some light on his thoughts on our crypto market. Is it a bull run? When will the bull run start? We're going to watch just a brief few bits of this, so we're going to cut it up real fast, but I think you're going to enjoy what he says. And I can't say it any better. This is how I feel about it, but what the frick do I know? This dude is way more intelligent than me.
The crypto bull run has not started yet. It's going to happen in 2024. My Bitcoin price prediction of $12,000 still stands. What you're witnessing.
So first thing real quick, literally talking about he's not thinking that the bull run is going to happen until 2024. We're also talking about Bitcoin. His prediction is 12. My gut feeling, which was not much of a prediction, which was around 10. Wishful thinking, whatever you might say. But truth be told, I watched Bitcoin crash many, many times over and over and over again for a new low, all the way up to this new high. And it's just a new 52-week low, a new whatever low, but not a new low. But I really don't want to miss the boat this time. But I tell you, with FTX and a lot of the uncertainty out there in the market, it makes you think. It really does.
Right now is a bear market rally. I know it's stirring that FOMO sensation, but maintain discipline because this is a trap. I'm making this video because I don't want you to get baited into this dead cat bounce. So I want you to know this. I like crypto, I like Bitcoin. I believe that in the next bull run, there's going to be a lot of money to be made. There's going to be a lot of new millionaires minted. But if you have limited money and you're trying to turn a small amount of money into a large amount of money, then you cannot screw up your entry points. If you have the mentality that this price where Bitcoin is at right now is good enough, that if you buy now and just hold, then you'll be okay in the next bull run. If that's your mentality, then I'll tell you that, you know what, I agree. You'll do okay, but you're not going to do great. I would prefer that you maximize your gains and you do great, not just okay.
Now, understand what he's trying to say here. It does stir a little bit of my advice to you. I'm never going to tell you to time the market. Folks, I was ready to buy Ethereum at $1,100 an ETH. I just never got around to making the video. So the reason that my investments suffer is because I try to do them on camera for you guys, and hopefully that I can show you how to spend my money so you can better invest yours. That's one of my slogans. But truth be told, what he's saying is, you know, he wants you to show him. He's going expert level. I'm just your buddy on YouTube who has a little bit of money that's going to invest it. And if I lose it and you didn't, you're smart. If I make it and you didn't, you're going to be kicking yourself. So I'm just saying, folks, I don't know about time in the market is what I'm hearing here, but for overall purposes, still a great opinion.
Not only did I call the top, I predicted that cryptos would crash, and obviously that came true. My target entry point on BTC has not changed. Bitcoin's high end of the target range is $12,000. So I'll start buying at $12,000. If it falls further, I will dollar cost average down. And then I'm going to hodl. I'm just going to strap myself in for the next bull run. Until then.
So look, we're gonna wrap it up on this one, but I wanted you to hear that. I've watched this whole video, but what he's just going to tell you is he's buying and holding for the long term. If I buy into a Bitcoin or 10 Bitcoins or whatever I do, depends on what my funds are doing at the time, I'm going to be holding for an indefinite period of time. Anywhere from 1 year to 10 years is going to be my range. Well, Grant, that's kind of a broad statement. Duh, investing is a very broad topic. You never know what the economy is going to do. The average recession lasted 11 months. I'm going to be making sure that I'm investing for the long term, and then at the same time, a minimum term of 1 year, so that way I can make sure I can take my capital gains taxes to the long-term version. So I can make sure that I'm not selling at the wrong time or getting scared, which won't happen. Don't invest the rent money. Let's look at a few more things and do some betting. Let's do this last part of this video. I want to do a little bit of recap on my portfolio. So let's go all time. So all time, I think I was around 100,000 bucks. Nothing crazy, no super crazy gains in my portfolio. 103 or so, yeah, whatever. And now we're sitting at 82.4. So let's talk about this real quick. Basically, I have 43 ETH. Okay, I said 45, I think, earlier in the video. $68,000 invested in that. I have bought Ethereum from 3,800 bucks and down. I am down 15,000 on Ethereum. Shiba, look at you go, Shiba. At one point I was up 50,000 bucks on Shiba, didn't sell it. I'm up 1,400 bucks. Woo. Dogecoin down 5,900 bucks and AmpCoin down 3,454 bucks. So in this video, I am buying some more Shiba as long as it will allow me to, because it had some stuff last time. I'm gonna buy. All right, so I'm going to invest another $1,000 into Shiba, preview buy, and then I don't want to invest weekly. So I'm gonna invest a little less than 1,000 bucks, got a $1,498 fee. Buy now. Does it work? Hey, successfully purchased. Let's see, $1,000 in AMP. I've been buying AMP around 6 cents, and it has been just brutally destroyed. So I'm a bigger believer in AMP, being that kind of trades higher unless I have just missed the boat on something, which comment below if I have, I don't mind. So there you guys have it. Those are 2 more of my cost averaging down bets, or maybe even up with Shiba. But my question to you guys is this a smart move? Do you think I'm crazy? Should I have bought more in Doge? Doge at 10 cents makes me a bit alarmed just to talk about it, since it is in my portfolio. I'm a big fan of Doge at 3 and 6 cents, but hey, maybe I should buy some more. Here's my last question for you guys. If you'd like to see me invest 100, 1,000, or maybe even $10,000 into a separate account, make a whole new account, and see how that does with maybe some, for instance, token doing really well. You know, all these other ones that I can't even say. Let me know if you'd like to do that. I'm down for at least $100 to $1,000 to see what happens over the course of the years. We could do just an update every quarter or every year just to see how that account's doing. And who knows, maybe I'll be the next token millionaire. I think it'd take more than $100. See you later. I believe in you. Don't invest the rent money.